signal achievement in your lives. You have completed a process. You have attained a level of success that places you on a trajectory of educational victory. From Maxine Men's Academy, you can achieve victory. That trajectory puts you on the track for educational opportunity and triumph. When you go back to public school, you participate in as many activities as you have time, and you dedicate yourselves to your studies. The kinds of things that you've learned here. You know how to sit in class. I know that. You know how to turn off your cell phone when you're sitting in class. You know how to pay attention. You know how to seminar. That's something your classmates haven't yet learned. For many of us, including myself, education has been the only way out of poverty and the pathway towards a living wage jobs. There's no other way. You have one or two ball players, but statistically, that's more difficult to attain than an education. You're provided with a public education. Why? Because black people fought for public education in this country. This was not just granted because people liked us. It was taken from the coffers of the states, the individual states of the United States. So it's not a gift. Somebody had to fight for it. Somebody had to die for it. So don't take public education lightly. It's an insult to your great-great-great-grandparents. Throughout our history in this country, as African Americans, people of color, and as economically disadvantaged whites, we have been deliberately left out of the educational arena. Now, what happened after we got here, of course, there were all kinds of codes, laws enacted that governed the conduct of the slaves. One of the laws that specifically goes to education and learning were those that were enacted and, in effect, made it illegal for Africans to be able to read and write.